Hello, Afra.
Hello.
What do you got today?
And this.
What is this?
A pop.
Oh,
This was from here.
all right. This is a dog.
Yeah.
What's his name? Lucy.
Lucy.
All right. This is Lucy. Yes. It's singing and dancing.
Yeah.
Do you want to open it?
Yeah.
Afra, did you open it?
Yeah.
Can you try it?
Yeah.
Wow.
What?
You have to open it here too, I think. You have to open it. We have to look at backside.
Backside.
Right. You have to take out this one
Yeah.
and this one.
This one.
Yeah. Open it, please.
Yeah.
Oh. All right, Afra.
Yeah.
Can you show me?
Here.
What you have there?
Yeah.
Its name.
Yeah.
What's name?
Lucy.
Lucy.
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
Can you try it? Push the buttons.
Yeah.
You just put it down, maybe.
Up.
Maybe you have to read this one. They have a... All right. Here's written instructions
Yeah.
for use. Lucy have two buttons. One for the demo and another one there's to turn it on. We have to turn it on, Afra, from here, inside. Can you turn it on?
Yeah.
Switch it on. Here. You open it here.
Yeah.
Can you help me?
Yeah.
Here. And here is the button.
Yeah.
You can push it.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's on.
It's on.
We can call it the name.
Lucy.
Lucy,
Lucy.
lay down.
Lay down.
This is the first command. And you can see the other commands, Afra. Look. It's 20 commands. You have to say Lucy first. Lucy. It responds to you, Afra. Can you say Lucy?
Lucy.
Again. You can say Lucy,
Lucy.
lay down.
Lay down.
Okay, Lucy, shake hand. Lucy,
Lucy, give me kiss.
okay, Afra. Can you command the Lucy? Can you command to sit down?
Easy.
All right, we can command shake hands maybe, or give me a kiss.
Yeah.
All right, say Lucy, give me a kiss.
Lucy, give me kiss.
Oh, so sweet. Sit.
Sit.
Lucy,
Lucy,
bark.
bark.
Lucy,
Lucy,
salsa.
salsa.
All right.
Alright.
Hip hop.
two.